Hey guys, it's Grunt, and welcome to the Samsung Galaxy A10e unboxing review. So as you can see right here, and right here, I bought a case for it with around $5. You can get a closer look at that. And here's the back in case you guys wanted to see it. It's in its total wireless box, but I'm sure you can get it in different carriers as well. So here's the front of the box, and here's the back of the box. If you want to take a look at that, you can pause the video. My equipment's failing me, guys. Of course. Perfect! That's what I call content. The box may differ depending on what carrier you get. Now, one of the things is that this one does come with a hotspot. I don't know if the previous A series phones did. Don't know. This is the first time I'm trying it, so you know. Now, opening up the front panel, you can see the phone in there. It's about around 5.8 inches, if I'm right. As you can see, we get a little window to look in here.
The battery icon just popped up right now. What?
I lost the phone out of here. That would have been bad. Okay, so here's the phone itself. I'm gonna set it off to the side for a minute while I at least take the stuff out of the box. Then we have a good look at what is the quick reference manual. So here, I don't know if you guys can see that, it's pretty tiny, is our little SIM card opener. I don't know. Sean, you'd know more stuff about this because I've never had a fancy phone with a SIM card opener.
SIM eject
as you guys can see,
tool.
because this is my type of phone. This is the phone I've had. This is the Galaxy Luna J3, and I've had this phone for about 2 to 3 years. The back button has failed me, and the quality is not very great, 720p. I needed something as a secondary camera, so this will do very nicely. Because this should shoot in 1080p 30 frames at the very least. I don't know too much else. I tried to look up MP. I was an idiot. Me and Sean wasted about an hour in Walmart. Do your research. Now this phone was priced about around $99 in store, plus tax. You're looking at about $105, $106. Our charger. One thing I noticed here is this charger. I have personally never owned a phone with this type of charger, but I have seen other people that have it, much like Sean's Galaxy S9 Plus and Michael's Galaxy S9. So this will be a first for me. Supposedly this is supposed to be a better charger than the normal charger that comes with these types of phones. Before we take a look at this phone, I'll go ahead and pop it on the charger so that way it's charged and you guys can see what the actual phone looks like. So for my safety, I've already put aside the little red book that would come in here, but it would usually have your phone's serial number and some other valuable information that you probably wouldn't want to put publicly. We have this book here with some minor information in it, and we have this book here, which would be your services guide. So while we're waiting for this phone to charge, we'll go ahead and check out this nice little case, which is a Galaxy A10e case by On. This case would cost you about around $5, so it's not a bad price. And now we have our little case, so that's what our camera would look like if it was in there. It's made out of some type of rubber material, but as you can see, it's got a slot for your power button and your volume button. Now for the main pull off here. Ooh, it slid right out. There's our little plasticky bit. As you can see, there's the lens and the light, both here right on top of each other, and the Samsung branding on there as well. So now we have a clean look at the phone here. I'll give you guys a full 360. The front, side, the back, the other side, the top, and the bottom. All looking very great. And I'm smudging the screen up with my fingerprints, I know. So what we do is you would take this little thing and pop this in here. I've already gotten this taken care of, but you pop that in there, and I just guess you kind of push it, right, Sean?
Yeah, push it a little bit more. There you go.
And this little thing will pop out here.
No, it takes a little bit of force.
Yeah, it does take a little bit of force. If it feels like it goes clank, then don't worry, that didn't hurt the phone.
That's because of the waterproof.
Yep. So after that popped out, you can see the little hole there that it goes into. And here's your little boy. You can pop him back out. Make sure that you don't lose him, because it'd be really easy to. And now that we have that slid out of there, we'll go ahead and pop my memory from this phone into this phone and get that data transferred over. So as you can see in the bottom here, You just kind of gently slot those parts in there, the SIM card and your SD card. And now those are in there nice and firm, we can put it in the phone. There it is, the opening screen. If you want a really simple case and you don't want to spend a lot of money, I could have gotten a stronger case, but as you can see here, slipped on there pretty good. So we'll be back once I get the setup taken care of on this phone. One thing I want to note, that's good. That there, that's all I wanted to say. That's pretty good. We got our home screen, looking pretty good. Up here, my unsupported SD card that I still need to format. You slide over here, second page, you can add pages to that. And if you slide down, you get access to all your apps. And of course, you know, we can test it out by checking out stuff like YouTube. Looks very good on there. I'll test out a video. What's going on, you guys? Grunt Gamer here, and Sean right over here. Guys, the package is here. Works very good. Discord, very clean. The screen looks very crisp. And even check out Instagram. All looks very good. Well, since I couldn't get my audio file to work, I hate you audio. You can see we got our camera here. Remember, you always hold it sideways, Sean, when you're filming. All right, so this is a test of the new Samsung Galaxy A10e, right, Sean?
Yes.
It might be a little loud, so we're testing both audio and video quality. We're on the road.
Let us know in the comments what you personally think about this phone.
Yep, let us know down below. How's the quality differ between this and one of my other videos on the camera? You can change, make that look better, change ratio, turn the flash on if you wanted to. You could flash, of course it didn't select it. Oh dear. And you can come up here and change the resolution. If I wanted to, I can film it in 720. But yeah, guys, I suppose that does it for this review. If you guys liked it, drop a like. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button and the notifications bell so you never miss an upload, because there'll be more videos coming soon. Thank you guys for stopping by for the review, and we'll see you guys next time. Until then, guys.